Imagine the ultimate workstation, a machine so powerful it doesn't just process data, it breathes it. For years, professionals have been asking one question: where is the true successor to the legendary iMac Pro? Well, the wait is officially over. We are standing on the precipice of a new era in desktop computing. Apple has finally broken its silence, and the leaks coming out of Cupertino are nothing short of revolutionary. This isn't just a spec bump or a slight design tweak. This is a total reimagining of what an all-in-one computer can be. We're talking about a machine that bridges the gap between the sleek elegance of the iMac and the raw, unbridled power of the Mac Pro. If you thought the M4 series was impressive, you aren't ready for what the M5 family and the 2026 iMac Pro are bringing to the table. This is the hardware that will define the next decade of creative work, from 8K video editing to real-time 3D rendering and complex AI development. The rumors have been circulating for months, but today we have the most concrete evidence yet. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Asterisk now, let's dive into the heartbeat of this beast. According to the latest supply chain data, the 2026 iMac Pro is set to feature a massive 32-inch display. But this isn't just any screen. We are looking at a 6K or even 7K Retina XDR panel equipped with state-of-the-art mini-LED technology. This means deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and a contrast ratio that will make your eyes bleed, in a good way. For photographers and colorists, this is the holy grail. The level of precision offered by this panel, combined with a 120Hz promotion refresh rate, ensures that every scroll, every brushstroke, and every frame of video is butter smooth. Apple is aiming to eliminate the need for external reference monitors, consolidating your entire high-end studio into a single, breathtaking piece of glass and aluminum. Under the hood, the 2026 iMac Pro is expected to be the debut platform for the M5 Max and the rumored M5 Ultra chips. Internal benchmarks suggest that the M5 Max is built on a refined 2-nanometer process, allowing for unprecedented thermal efficiency despite its monstrous core count. We are hearing reports of an 18-core CPU and a staggering 40-core GPU. But the real star is the Fusion architecture. This new design allows the chip to behave like a single, massive brain, sharing memory and processing power across tasks with almost zero latency. Imagine having up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory at your disposal. You could have dozens of 8K streams open in Final Cut Pro, a heavy 3D scene rendering in the background, and a complex LLM training session running simultaneously without a single stutter. This is the level of performance that used to require a server room. Now, it sits quietly on your desk. The design of the 2026 iMac Pro is also getting a professional makeover. Gone are the playful, vibrant colors of the consumer iMac. Instead, Apple is returning to the iconic space gray and a new, even darker Midnight Pro finish. The chassis is rumored to be slightly thicker than the current 24-inch model to accommodate a revolutionary vapor chamber cooling system. This is crucial because, as we know, Pro users push their machines to the limit for hours on end. This new thermal design ensures that the M5 Max can run at peak clock speeds without thermal throttling, making it a reliable workhorse for long render nights. Additionally, the port selection is finally catching up to professional needs. We're looking at up to 6 Thunderbolt 5 ports, a dedicated SDXC card slot, UHS 3, and a 10 gigabit Ethernet port built right into the power brick. Connectivity has never been this seamless in an all-in-one. But why now? Why is Apple resurrecting the iMac Pro in 2026? The answer lies in the changing landscape of the industry. We are in the middle of an AI explosion. Every professional tool, from Photoshop to Premiere Pro, is becoming AI integrated. This requires massive neural engine power. The M5 series is rumored to feature a next-generation neural engine specifically optimized for local AI processing, offering up to 4 times the speed of previous generations. This means you can run complex generative AI tasks, voice-to-text, and real-time image upscaling entirely on-device, ensuring both speed and privacy. Apple knows that for a PRO to stay relevant, it must be an AI powerhouse, and the 2026 iMac Pro is designed to be the king of that mountain.